Hello. I'm Alex from Prime Dash. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account in Prime Dash Decision Maker. At the end of this video you will be able to access the Decision Maker, create an account in Decision Maker, activate your account. So let's start. To set up an account, go to www.primedash.com and click Sign Up. Enter your name, a valid email address, and a password. After this process is completed, you will receive a confirmation email. To activate your account, you have to click on the link sent to you in the confirmation email. Please note that the confirmation email might land in your spam folder, so if it's not in your inbox, you know where to find it. This is important because the link in the confirmation email is only valid for a limited amount of time. Once your account is validated, you are taken straight into Prime Dash and you are ready to use the software and make the best decisions for your business. Thank you for watching this video. Start your journey to financial success with Prime Dash.